If you look at the digital agenda overall, from my point of view, especially also if we look at the infrastructure part of the whole agenda, we are very much concerned about the kind of equal treatment of rolling out digital infrastructure, be it on one side broadband infrastructure, which you can provide via satellite, via terrestrial means. So we are a big supporter of a kind of equal treatment if there are subsidizations for broadband rollout, for let's say wireless broadband or whatever, that the different infrastructure are treated equal, that we have an opportunity to bridge the digital divide, to provide broadband and video services, digital video services, high definition 3D TV to everybody, be it in the city and on the countryside, and that all infrastructure have an equal right to support the rollout. So you have wireless broadband, you have terrestrial broadband via DSL or fiber, you have satellite broadband to cover the different also remote areas, and we think it's important in Europe to use the infrastructure that makes sense for the country, and that can per country be different depending on the geographic landscapes, depending on, let's say, the household density. And what we learned is that, I would say, very often, even if local governments drive one infrastructure, if it's not driven by market forces, meaning if there is no business case, you have to subsidize it. It works for 3 years, but then let's say it's overruled, or another infrastructure gets in again, because from a commercial point of view, once you start subsidizing it, sometimes you have to subsidize it forever to make it working, and for the next generation, then again you have to subsidize. And then we made the experience that overall, if you have the market driven, yes, let's say monitored and regulated rollout, but if it's market driven, it's more sustainable in terms of it allows to establish business cases that also allow then a second and third or fourth generation upgrade of the network.
I think the most important thing is that people use IT in a way it should be used. So actually to be aware of this technology and the use of this technology, it's important. So therefore e-skills and everything which is involved with e-skills, it's an important thing. At the other side, it's about the business side as well. So people should use IT.